In a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily, who adored the stars. Lily yearned for adventure beyond the horizon. She shared her dreams with her friends, a wise owl named Ollie and a playful fox named Felix. One fateful night, while wandering in the woods, Lily discovered a fallen star, its light flickering softly, as if seeking help. With determination in her heart, Lily and her companions embarked on a quest to return the lost star to its place in the heavens. Their journey was not without trials. They encountered mystical challenges, like riddles set by mischievous sprites, testing their wit and wisdom. Through their trials, Lily discovered that the greatest magic was not in the stars, but in the bond between friends, shining brighter than any constellation. Finally reaching the summit of the mountain, Lily gently placed the star back into the night sky, illuminating it with a breathtaking radiance. As the star twinkled gratefully, Lily bid it farewell, knowing that her heart would forever hold the memories of their extraordinary journey. And so, as the night faded into dawn, Lily returned home, carrying the magic of her adventure, forever etched in her heart.